This is Wes S. and this is a story about three young men who have an interest in being out of the house and doing stuff. You know, camping and hunting and fishing, and they like the stuff our community supports. So Mrs. S said, you know what, we should set them up with a starter kit. And that's what you're looking at. We're going to take y'all along, and y'all are going to watch us put together 3 haversacks. One for Shank, one for Cotton, and one for Tyler. Stick around. We're back. These little kits are going to be based off of, you know, the bare necessities, if you will. We took into account that they're young men. I mean, very young. Not sure about Cotton, but they're, you know, between the 9 and 12-year-old range. It does the body good to know that there's young people out there that still like that. Each one of them are getting a, should have kept track of this, but I believe these are German gas mask bags. They actually still have the tag of who they were issued to last on them. For the sake of this man's privacy, we will do away with that. Each one of the young men will receive a knife engraved with their name. Find a place to put this in here. It's gotta be cool. Let's see if you have a clip right here on the side. Each young man will receive a Trailblazer first aid kit. Open this bad boy up. It's a weatherproof container. It's got a little carabiner on it. It's got 2 alcohol prep pads, 1 sting relief pad, 3 antiseptic towelettes, 16 bandages, a knuckle bandage, a knee or elbow bandage, a 2x2 sterile gauze, and a 1/2 inch wide little deal of tape. We'll take the trash off of it for them. Put this in there. The beauty of it is they're probably going to want to rearrange it themselves. The knife, the first aid kit, and this is me, so they're getting bank line. I think there's a pouch on the outside here, look here. That don't fit. This is bank line does. So close. We're not done yet. But, you know, the bank line's in there. I'm going to let them rearrange it. They get a 4-function whistle. This is, I mean, it's a rescue whistle. They're young men. If they get in a bind and they need somebody to come run, and they need somebody to come run. It's got a compass and a thermometer on it. Personally, I like the thermometer idea. They know, that way they can tell if it's too hot or too cold or whatever. I played with the compasses some at the store, and they seem to function. So there's something putting this little side pouch over here. Each young man will receive a one of these high dollar Ozark Trails multi-tool. Get the feller's knife back out for him. See if there's a way to cut in here without cutting the prod up. And we did check with their people. This is acceptable. So. I didn't even check this out. I don't even know what's in. Pliers. Oh. Knife. Phillips screwdriver. How do you get that out of there? Okay. Knife, Phillips screwdriver. Little can opener. And I don't know what that's supposed to be. Got a file, a fish scaler, a flathead, bottle opener. Let me get this saw out of here. It's a serrated knife blade. Okay, got a little serrated knife blade. Here, it's better than nothing. Remember, always keep an inexpensive pair of pliers in your bag. Little pouch on the inside. Each of them will receive a little flashlight and no headlamp. There's reasons. And each one of them gets little stainless steel camping cup thingy. This, I've been trying to find out if this will fit in here. There, you know, the filter for the canister. There's two little retainer deals in here. Almost positive that this will slide right down in there. Yeah, buddy. And Velcro reaches. And then they will each get, it's not an Algene or nothing, it's not nothing fancy, but they get a water bottle. There's actually another Doom of Flicky on the other side for, I assume, another canister. And there happens to be room for both it and the cord. I like that little, it's actually kind of cool. Ta-da! There's room for food and stuff. I could build 2 more of these. You get to give them away. If you find somebody, especially that's new to this kind of stuff or young and interested, encourage them. Don't turn them on to doom and gloom YouTube videos, and don't scare them to death with why they need to be doing it and stuff. Just help them learn the basics. You know, help them learn how to do stuff. So all that other doesn't matter. If they've got a handle on how to fish and hunt and camp and, you know, garden and, you know, bushcraft and cook out without the aid of McDonald's and Burger King and all that. If you get a chance to help them learn that stuff, if you do that, you know, 11-year-old guy is not the least bit concerned with the Grand Solar Minimum or the Yellowstone Caldera or none of that. Okay? They want cool stuff to play with and learn with. And that's what this is. Mrs. S., you're an amazing person, and this is a super good idea. I wish I could claim it. This is not my idea. God bless y'all. Y'all stay alive. Don't die. Help somebody. Don't hurt. Doing this is like one of the funnest things I've done all year. Because to me, this is super cool. God bless y'all. Y'all stay alive. Don't die.